Hello everyone, I am Wilson Dev from the Bhopal School of Social Sciences from BSc third year, and today we are going to discuss about the solution of ordinary differential equation. Before moving on to the main topic, we are further discuss what is the ordinary differential equation. An ordinary differential equation is differential equation which involves only one independent variable. There are several methods to solve the ordinary differential equation, which is Euler's method, modified Euler's method, Argand method of fourth order, Argand method of second order, and so on. And in this video we are going to discuss what is modified Euler's method. So before moving to the main topic, we are going to discuss what is Bernoulli rule says. First, given equation dy upon dx is equal to f of x, y, 1. Mark it as a 1. Write the given equation and mark it as a 1 with initial condition y x naught is equal to 1. Secondly, first approximation. We have to find the first approximation with the formula of Euler's method. Yn plus 1 n is equal to yn plus hf x and y. Now we will modify this value. First of all, we are finding the value of first approximation. In the second part, we are modifying the value, first approx value, with the help of modified Euler's method. The modified Euler's method formula is written here. Yn plus 1 n is equal to yn plus h upon 2 f x and yn f x and plus 1 yn plus 1 n. And how to find this h? So for finding the value of x, here is the formula xn minus x naught upon n, and repeat this process until two successive approx value are not equal or nearly same. Okay? Here we are having an example. Use modified Euler's method to compute y. We are going to find the value of y for x is equal to 0.05. Given that dy upon dx is equal to x plus y with y0 is equal to 1. This is the function dy upon dx is equal to x plus y. So, solving the question, write the given equation and mark it as a 1. Dy upon dx is equal to x plus y and mark it as 1. This is the initial condition which is given in the questions. X naught is equal to 0, y naught is equal to 1, x naught is equal to 0.05. And finding the value of h with the formula xn minus x naught upon n, which is 0.05 minus 0.1, which is nothing but 0.0. First approx value with the help of Euler's method. Okay, we are finding the first approx value with the Euler's method, which is written. We are seeing in the further working rule. Okay, y1 is equal to y naught plus hf x naught y naught. Here is the x naught. The value of x naught is 0. The value of y naught is 1. For solving this equation, and we are finding the value of y1 is 1.05. Secondly, now we shall improve by MEM or modified Euler's method. The value which we are finding in first approx value, we are modifying that value with the help of modified Euler method. Putting the formula, putting the values, finding the second approx value, y1 is equal to y naught plus h upon 2 f x naught y naught plus f x1 y. Here we can see that we are putting all these values in this formula and find the value of second approximation, which is 1.0525. Okay, in third approximation, this is simple because in third approximation until here the values are same. Only the value of y1, which is recently updated or we are found. Okay. So put this the value of y1 in here, and rest is the same. By putting the value, we are going to have the third approx value, which is 1.0526, and compare the value of second approximation and third approximation, which is 1.0525 and 1.0526, which is nearly equal, but we are going to have or see it can be equal or not. So we are going to find the fourth approx value, which is, here is the formula y naught is equal to y naught plus 0.0512 f x naught y naught until here the formula is same, and we put the value of y1 3, which is previously computed value, and here we find the value in fourth approximation, which is 1.0527, which is nearly equal to the 1.0526. There we can see these two values are nearly equal. So the value of y at point n is equal to 0.05 is 1.0527. So that's all about the modified Euler's method. Thank you for watching this video.